The rise of autonomous vehicles, AI at the wheel. Hello everyone, and welcome to AI Waves channel, the channel that explores the mind-blowing possibilities of artificial intelligence. I am your host, Maurice, and today we're diving into the revolutionary world of autonomous vehicles, where AI takes the wheel. Before we begin, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below to share your thoughts or experiences with self-driving cars. We'd love to hear from you. Ever thought about how the future of transportation might look like? Wondered about the role AI might play in it? Well, let's dive right in. The future of transportation holds incredible promise, with artificial intelligence at the helm, steering us towards a world of autonomous vehicles. Imagine this. You're cruising down the highway, but instead of gripping the steering wheel, you're kicked back, maybe reading a book or catching up on your favorite show. The car is doing all the work for you, navigating traffic, calculating the most efficient route, and ensuring you get to your destination safely and on time. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's the reality AI is bringing us closer to every day. At the core of this transformation is artificial intelligence, the powerhouse behind the autonomous revolution. AI, with its advanced algorithms and machine learning capabilities, empowers cars to perceive their surroundings, make intelligent decisions, and function independently of human intervention. But what does this look like in practice? Autonomous vehicles are kitted out with a range of sensors, including cameras, radar, and LiDAR. These function as the car's eyes and ears, collecting a wealth of data about the vehicle's environment. Everything from pedestrians and obstacles to traffic signals and road signs are detected and processed. This information is then digested by potent AI systems, interpreting and making sense of the data in real time. Machine learning algorithms allow these systems to recognize patterns, identify objects, and even predict future events, all while the vehicle is on the move. And it doesn't stop there. Autonomous vehicles also rely on advanced path planning and decision-making algorithms. These AI systems can analyze various routes, factor in real-time traffic conditions, and select the most efficient path, all while abiding by traffic rules and prioritizing passenger safety. The question on many minds might be, how safe are these self-driving cars? The answer? Extremely. The safety measures and redundancies built into autonomous vehicles are truly remarkable. The automotive industry is pulling out all the stops to ensure the safety of these AI-driven vehicles. The potential benefits of autonomous vehicles stretch far beyond convenience and safety. Fewer traffic jams, reduced emissions, and increased accessibility for those unable to drive themselves are all within reach. Autonomous vehicles could revolutionize transportation as we know it, creating safer, more efficient, and more sustainable roads. Challenges remain, from regulatory hurdles to public perception. But the rise of autonomous vehicles is inevitable, and AI is the driving force behind this extraordinary transformation. The future is closer than it might seem, with AI driving us forward. At the heart of this revolution, artificial intelligence takes the lead. It's the invisible conductor orchestrating the symphony of autonomous vehicles. But what is this AI? And how does it breathe life into these self-driving machines? Let's dive in. Picture AI as an advanced brain for the car. It's a complex web of algorithms and machine learning systems that give the vehicle its intelligence. These systems allow the car to perceive its environment, make smart decisions, and operate smoothly without a human driver. Let's break it down a bit. Algorithms are like a set of instructions that guide the car on what to do. They take in data, process it, and spit out decisions. For instance, if the car detects a stop sign, the algorithm tells the car to slow down and stop. Now, where does machine learning come in? Well, it's a type of AI that allows the car to learn from experience, just like us humans. The more data the car encounters, the better it gets at understanding the world around it. It's like teaching a child to recognize a dog by showing them lots of pictures of dogs. Over time, they learn what a dog looks like and can recognize one when they see it. Similarly, the car learns to recognize road signs, pedestrians, and other vehicles. But it doesn't stop there. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, takes it a step further. It can identify complex patterns and make predictions. So if a pedestrian is about to cross the street, the car can anticipate this and slow down before the pedestrian even steps onto the road. These advanced AI systems work tirelessly, processing millions of data points every second to ensure a smooth and safe ride. They're like the diligent student who's always alert, always learning, always improving. So whether it's a sunny afternoon drive or navigating through a stormy night, these AI-powered vehicles are equipped to handle it all. They're constantly learning, adapting, and making decisions to ensure the best possible journey for their passengers. AI is the driving force, the brain behind these autonomous vehicles. It's the magic that turns a car into a self-driving wonder. And as we move forward, this magic continues to evolve, promising even more exciting advancements in the world of autonomous vehicles. But how does AI see the world? Through a suite of sensors. Just like humans rely on their senses to navigate the world, AI uses a combination of cameras, radar, and LiDAR to understand the environment around them. These sensors serve as the eyes and ears of the autonomous vehicles, constantly scanning their surroundings. Cameras capture visual data, offering a panoramic view of the environment. They can detect objects, read traffic signals, and identify road signs. Meanwhile, radar uses radio waves to measure distances and detect the speed of other objects. It can work in all weather conditions, making it crucial for safe driving. Then there's LiDAR. This sensor uses pulsed laser light to create a detailed three-dimensional map of the environment. It's like radar, but with much higher resolution, making it great for detecting smaller objects and fine details. But these sensors don't work in isolation. They're part of a process called sensor fusion, where data from each sensor is combined to create a comprehensive and accurate picture of the surroundings. This fusion gives AI a more complete understanding of the environment and enables it to make more informed decisions. Now, imagine the amount of data these sensors collect. We're talking about terabytes of information every single day. This data is the lifeblood of AI, feeding it with the necessary information to understand and interact with the world. This massive data is processed in real time by powerful AI systems. They interpret and analyze the information, recognizing patterns and making predictions. For instance, if a pedestrian is about to cross the street, the AI uses this data to predict the pedestrian's movement and adjust the vehicle's path accordingly. But it's not just about understanding the present. These AI systems also use the data to learn from past experiences and improve future performance. Over time, they become better at identifying objects, predicting events, and making decisions, all thanks to the wealth of data they collect and learn from. These sensors are the eyes and ears of our AI, helping it make sense of the world around it. With this suite of sensors and the power of data, AI can navigate our streets, making autonomous vehicles a reality. Once the data is collected, it's time for AI to make some crucial decisions. Imagine a game of chess. The AI, like a grandmaster, anticipates moves, plans strategies, and makes decisions. Only here, the game board is the road, and the chess pieces are the cars, pedestrians, and obstacles. Using the data collected from sensors, the AI system begins the process of path planning. It's mapping out the route, considering all possible paths, and choosing the most optimal one. But this isn't a one-time process. It's dynamic and constantly updated as new data pours in, just like a GPS recalculating your route based on real-time traffic conditions. Now, the AI doesn't just consider the quickest route, it also factors in safety. This is where decision-making comes into play. The AI system evaluates various scenarios. For instance, should the car slow down when a pedestrian is too close to the curb? Or should it switch lanes when a cyclist is up ahead? These decisions are made in split seconds, all aimed at ensuring passenger safety and smooth travel. This process isn't just about reacting to the immediate environment, it's also about predicting future events. The AI system uses machine learning algorithms to identify patterns and make predictions. For example, it can anticipate a pedestrian stepping onto the road or a car about to change lanes, even before these events occur. This level of foresight allows autonomous vehicles to react proactively rather than reactively, further enhancing safety. But don't worry, the AI isn't making these decisions on a whim. It's all based on extensive training data and rigorous testing. The AI systems in autonomous vehicles are trained using millions of miles of driving data, enabling them to handle a wide range of scenarios. And remember, all these calculations and decisions are happening in real time while the vehicle is in motion. The speed and accuracy of these AI systems are truly mind-blowing, making the dream of self-driving cars a reality. AI doesn't just see the road, it plans and decides, ensuring a safe and smooth ride. Safety is paramount when it comes to autonomous vehicles. This statement is a cornerstone of the development and implementation of self-driving cars. The automotive industry, coupled with cutting-edge AI technology, has taken a multi-layered approach to ensure maximum safety. Firstly, autonomous vehicles are equipped with a myriad of sensors, including cameras, radar, and LiDAR. This combination creates a comprehensive and detailed understanding of the car's surroundings, which is crucial for safe navigation. The data collected from these sensors is processed in real time, allowing the vehicle to react promptly to sudden changes, such as an unexpected pedestrian or a car darting out from a side street. However, what happens if there's a glitch or a system failure? That's where redundancies come into play. Redundancies are backup systems designed to take over if the main system fails. In the world of autonomous vehicles, redundancies can range from secondary sensors and backup power sources to multiple layers of AI algorithms. These redundancies ensure that even in the event of a system failure, the vehicle can still operate safely or come to a controlled stop. Moreover, rigorous testing and simulation are integral parts of the development process. These vehicles are put through a series of challenging scenarios, both in the real world and in virtual environments. This extensive testing allows engineers to identify and rectify potential issues before they become a problem on the road. Public concern about the safety of autonomous vehicles is understandable. After all, the thought of a car driving itself can seem daunting. However, it's important to remember that human error is responsible for a significant proportion of road accidents. AI-driven vehicles, with their advanced algorithms and lack of susceptibility to human failings like distraction or fatigue, have the potential to drastically reduce these numbers. So, while there are valid concerns and challenges to address, the safety measures in place are robust and continually evolving. The aim is not just to match human driving safety standards, but to surpass them. Rest assured, when it comes to safety, no stone is left unturned. The journey towards fully autonomous vehicles is a careful and calculated one, with safety at the forefront of every decision. Opening. The benefits of autonomous vehicles go far beyond just convenience. Imagine a world where traffic jams are a thing of the past. With autonomous vehicles, we could see a significant reduction in congestion. Thanks to their advanced algorithms and ability to communicate with each other, these vehicles can maintain a steady flow of traffic, reducing the stop and go that often leads to gridlock. Now consider the environmental impact. Traditional cars emit a significant amount of greenhouse gases, contributing to climate change. Autonomous cars, on the other hand, can be programmed to drive in the most fuel-efficient way possible, reducing their overall emissions. Furthermore, as we see more electric autonomous vehicles on the roads, we can expect a significant decrease in carbon emissions. But it's not just about reducing traffic and emissions. Autonomous vehicles could also bring about increased accessibility. For those who are unable to drive due to age, disability, or other factors, self-driving cars could provide a newfound freedom. Imagine the elderly being able to maintain their independence longer, or individuals with disabilities having a reliable means of transportation that caters to their needs. That's a game changer. Moreover, autonomous vehicles could revolutionize the goods transportation industry. Self-driving trucks could operate round the clock, increasing efficiency and reducing costs. This could lead to faster deliveries and potentially lower prices for consumers. And let's not forget about the potential to transform our cities. With less need for parking spaces, we could reclaim vast amounts of urban land for parks, housing, or other community-focused developments. It's clear that the benefits of autonomous vehicles extend far beyond the convenience of letting the car do the driving. They offer a vision of a future where our roads are safer, our air is cleaner, and transportation is accessible to all. Closing. Autonomous vehicles promise a future with safer, more efficient, and more sustainable transportation. Of course, the road ahead isn't without its bumps. The future of autonomous vehicles, as bright as it may seem, faces a set of challenges that need to be addressed before we can fully embrace this transformative technology. Firstly, let's talk about regulatory issues. Currently, there is no global standard for autonomous vehicles. Different countries have different rules and regulations, which can make it difficult for automakers to design a one-size-fits-all solution. Moreover, the legal framework around liability in the case of accidents involving self-driving cars is still a gray area that needs to be clarified. Next, we have the challenge of cybersecurity. With cars becoming more like computers on wheels, they become potential targets for hackers. Ensuring the security of these vehicles and protecting them from cyber attacks is a paramount concern. Then there's the matter of public perception. Not everyone is comfortable with the idea of a machine making decisions that could potentially be a matter of life and death. Trust in AI systems is crucial for the wide acceptance of autonomous vehicles. It's essential to have transparent communication about how these systems work and the safeguards in place to ensure safety. Finally, we can't overlook the social implications. What happens to the millions of people whose livelihoods depend on driving jobs? How do we ensure a just transition to an autonomous future? These are questions that society as a whole needs to grapple with. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of autonomous vehicles, from increased safety and efficiency to reduced emissions and enhanced accessibility, make them a compelling proposition. There's a lot of work to be done, sure, but the industry is actively addressing these issues and progress is being made every day. Despite the challenges, the rise of autonomous vehicles seems inevitable. It's not a matter of if, but when. And when that day comes, it could truly revolutionize the way we travel, making our journeys safer, more efficient, and more enjoyable. The future is indeed exciting. So, are you ready for a future where AI takes the wheel? We've journeyed through the transformative world of autonomous vehicles today, peeling back the layers of how AI powers these self-driving marvels. From the suite of sensors that act as the vehicle's eyes and ears, to the advanced algorithms making intelligent real-time decisions, AI is truly revolutionizing transportation. But it's not just about convenience. Imagine fewer traffic jams, reduced emissions, and increased accessibility for those who can't drive. That's the promise of autonomous vehicles. However, we must also recognize the hurdles ahead. Regulatory challenges, public perception, and safety are all areas that need careful consideration. The rise of self-driving cars is inevitable, and as we move forward, it's crucial to continue these conversations, to ask questions, and to stay informed. So let's keep exploring together. That's all for today, but stay tuned for more mind-blowing content on the AI Waves channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to never miss an update. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of AI. End.